It's easy to set a goal. We do it all the time. Staying motivated to achieve those goals, that's a very different story. In this video, I'm going to share with you my 3 simple and yes, very realistic habits that keep me motivated and staying fit all the time. So let's get further into the video, and I hope you will find it helpful. Purpose may mean something entirely different to all of us. We get up in the morning with specific intentions for the day, week, month, year, and lifetime. Sometimes we think about our purposes for the day, sometimes we don't. So what does having a purpose mean? To me personally, having a purpose provides inspiration, happiness, and peace. From day-to-day routine to a big picture. When it comes to finding a purpose for your fitness regimen, I want you to ask yourself these questions. Why do you want to work out? Why do you want to eat healthy? Why do you want to make healthy decisions? And if your answer to those questions is the typical, to look better, to be stronger, to feel better, or to live longer, don't stop there. Follow that up with these questions. Why do you want to look better or be stronger? Why do you want to feel better? Why do you want to live longer? Keep asking yourself why until you get down to the heart of the matter behind each of your answers. I bet that it goes much deeper than just looking better or feeling stronger. You may get emotional or even have to grab a few tissues. That's okay, it means you found your purpose. Whatever purpose you found, if they more than likely come from the heart, they'll keep you motivated every day. We know not everyone is a morning person, and even a few of us are eager to wake up and exercise. Getting started is the hardest part. One of the most effective ways I often use is to create an environment to lift my mood. Before you start exercising, turn on your favorite songs or self-improvement audiobook. Music elevates mood, distracts you from pain and increases endurance. Workout can get bored sometimes. If that happens to you, try different things until you really like it. Boxing, swimming, martial arts, dancing, dance to your favorite songs. Remember that your main goal is to stay active.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to.
I like wearing pretty workout clothes when I exercise. You know, look good, feel good. If I want to work out on any specific day, I pick up my gym set, leave them at a place where I can easily see, so they will remind me that I have a workout on that day and I want to try these clothes on. It may sound a bit childish, but it works, guys. And by the way, some of you asked me about my workout clothes. I'm actually simple when it comes to fashion brands. I wear anything I found pretty and fit me. This set is from China. This one is from Zafu. This one I bought from Fabletics. This is by far my favorite. This set is from here, very thick pants, ideal for the winter. And this set is from Primark. I like the color. Online shopping is quite tricky. They have a lot of pretty stuffs, but size and quality are troublesome sometimes. I will leave the links of these clothes I bought in the description box in case you are interested. You've heard it before, what gets measured, get done. A workout plan is a tool to measure your workout progress. It helps you prevent under or overtraining and burnout. You might be tired of working out or might not be feeling the gym for a few days. That's okay. Skip a few days but stick with your workout plan. It will keep you moving forward and predict your results. I've got for you a weekly workout plan in this video. Here is my full body workout plan for the week, and this is blank space so you can set up your own plan. I really enjoy making this and I hope you all like it too. Hope it can somehow motivate you guys to exercise a bit more often. You can find the links to get them in the description box. And that's it for today, everyone. I hope that you find the video helpful. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you gave us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to work out with me. You know, we all go through times of getting off track and making bad decisions. You can totally have a cheat meal and sleep instead of catching a workout. It's totally normal. You are human, we are human, and I am human. The key is, do not stay there in those places of non-purpose, waking up with not knowing what to do. The key is to pick yourself up again, find your purpose, set up your goal, make a plan, and take action. And that, I believe, you can do it. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Next video, we are going to start a completely new workout series, and I hope you will be there to train with me from scratch. And until then, have an awesome week. Bye.
Once the tables turn, bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the